Do you know what are the 7 skills a leader in the banking sector in India needs to possess? Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be the first one to receive the notification of our latest videos. Hello and welcome to Bankrate, where millions of people around the world can learn and be aware of banking and finance. So let's get started. Banking is the sector for the economy. It maintains, regulates, and governs the economic transactions for the nation. The leaderships in the banks needs to be future-driven. Many of the times schemes framed by the banks are under the influence of the markets and culture. It causes an impact on the management and profits of the banks, which later on becomes impossible to recover. The leaders at the top have to manage the 21st century requirement of banks like new customers, meeting customer expectations, resource-driven, and digital awareness. How are private and government banks working in India? Banking importance for private and public banks varies. As the leader of the private banks is more dealing with the corporate and government banks are more dealing with government loans, schemes, and other public funding programs. Many of the private banks are working with the private sector for personal loans. Government banks are mainly financing the farming sectors, government projects, schemes, and loans. Private banks have to manage the funding or loans of a multinational company to middle-scale companies and early startups. They mainly have to deal with the companies that operate on mobile or through online banking and ensure they should hassle-free service on funds transfer from the smallest amount to the highest amount. What type of skill issues arise to the leader while working on the digital transformation of banks? There has been importance since 4 to 5 years where the internet has to gain booming speed in most of the parts of India with the increase in mobile application demand and use by the end user. Most bank leaders and board of directors are not able to balance vision on the digital transformation, as it also requires the balance of work and literate bank employees. Third-party companies are managing the transaction and reduce the interaction between customers and banks. Most of the banking sectors are now going on online for digital transactions. The team member or director board must contain the technological scholar or passionate persons to manage the future policies of the bank. It will also help to balance technological adaptation, in which they must examine how the new technologies like machine learning, data mining, and data analytics should impact on the companies through which banks can assist them. What are different adaptations imposed by the leader to sustain leadership in India? The new adaptation to sustain the leadership in banking in India are 1. Self-learning. Self-learning will help to prepare for the new technologies and inventions. It is useful to remain informed about the market. 2. Digital banking summits. Experienced people from different giant tech companies will help to prepare for the digital transformation. It will also help to create communications between the bank and its stakeholders for future business. It is useful to manage the requirement of companies. 3. Pre-planned digital strategy to the threats and opportunities. A pre-planned digital initiatives includes working on upcoming industry requirements and digital data security. The digital transformation will also help to become ready for future projects. Due to cyber criminals, new kinds of threats found daily, it will get reduced because of strategy. 4. New leaders recruitment. The new professional or passionate leader can drive the employees through the digital workspace. The new leader will also ensure the work on different projects. An experienced leader will help to become tech-ready. 5. Promoting and accepting digital transformation or digital literacy campaign. Most of the people are not aware of the digital transformation, creating chaos during the work. Hence they must learn the points about the digital transformation in a literacy campaign. The campaign should include simple that can bring interest among learners. 6. Digital vision by the leader. The balance between digital techniques and traditional skills will create a better approach or plan for future projects. It will help leaders of the bank to identify the risks, dangers, and competitive environment. 7. Risk management. The risk management will also matter in case of bank digital operations will cost the high charges for the bank. Operating the security measures and professionals will cause high pays. These are to manage and maintain by the leader. Why blend the traditional skill set with the new tech skills? Sometimes the old ideas are found more effective than newer. To solve such problems, blending of old and new leadership skills. These will create new pathways or ideas for the bank. It will also help to attract new projects and clients. It will also help the leader to take a risky decision and sustain in the competition. Conclusion. Sustaining leadership in banking in India is in the digital transformation phase. The bank needs to become transformable. It will take some time to do so. It is necessary for the future. Leaders of the banks must accept the change and drive their employees for the change because it is for their survival. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming videos.